Hi guys! It's time for cloud slime! We all love cloud slime, so let's try to do some. First comes white glue. After pouring the glue in, I'm going to add shaving foam to make it nice and fluffy. Now mix it good until it blends. Next, we're going to start adding activator, which I made with 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. Adding the activator little by little and mixing it in the same time. Soon your slime is going to be ready. A bit sticky now. That's good! You need the slime to be a bit sticky at first. The powdered snow will blend faster with the slime. After pouring the powdered snow over the slime, add just a bit water on top of it, and you will see how snow starts to grow. Mix it good until it blends together. And what do you know? Here's your cloud slime! If you want to have fun, add some color. I'm using blue. Let me know in the comment section what color you like your cloud slime to be. If you liked the video and it helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!